This a wutua 25,000 Ghana cedis and sana ya for adwuma. Hey, your man we in some war man you mu. Asem we ni nkyere mu ni nyina ene se eye aban a abesen ko kane ye mampani dada nanado danko ekufuado. O se ansa na ye befa wadwuma mu no. This a wutua sika ansa na ya for wadwuma titiro GHC opese oye ochechiri ni anase opese oye teaching a. Asen beto asomestro say obe subscribe to my YouTube channel no. Say oba so a na subscribe. Wa like it, no wa share, send a beya. Unu bi nso ebenye bi ahwe isan say nsem bi say ekoso a I will say ye share ema obi bia nso enye bi ahwe. So say oba so nso a ema okwan na oma comment.
The teachers of this country were yesterday demonstrating, Mr. Speaker, and they did play the voice of the current president. When the current president said to the teachers that he would do automatic posting, where is the automatic posting for teachers? Mr. Speaker, you cannot even post the teachers. The MPP posted over 60,000 teachers in the 8 years. Over 80,000 were health personnel in the 8 years, and over 60,000 education personnel over 8 years. I said 60,000 education personnel over 8 years, we posted them. We again posted over 80,000 health personnel in the 8 years. Yesterday, teachers were on demonstration. The nurses came and did their own. Why are you suffocating these two things when you promise them? These two sectors. Why? Why are you not employing them? You promised them you employ them. Why are you not employing them? You give teachers 6,000. The 6,000 that MPP gave them 10,000. You are refusing to employ them. So what you are simply doing is employing what the MPP bequeathed to you. Mr. Speaker, let me state that if you had completed the 1DYF, you would have employed in excess of 5,000 people. Mr. Speaker, if you had completed Agenda 111, you would have been able to employ in excess of 4,000 people. Mr. Speaker, I said to this government that the only interest you have is about yourselves. That's your interest you have. You are satisfying yourselves. You are not satisfying the people of Ghana. This budget is about satisfying yourselves. That is what you are doing. That is why you are buying things for your...
Honourable member, your time is up.
Enti amaye bisa say aso automatic posting no ewen afahin. Say in holding abaya na owoso anase our former president also no na nursing training allowance, teachers training allowance and other allowances ni na otua. But also we school a say yentimi mfa nipa yina en recruit omo nti na si to bibi kakra ansa na etimi afa nti eno no eba saa nipa dodo nyina ntumi ntua nti kakra bi na ebeden ebefo ana yo mampani we ye ka se ye mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama se ono de oba a automatic posting ono oba obe create job to obi abenye adwuma aye no pay of any fee before recruiting nti ma obi a ye obi ade ono so ba ya na sema ono so eka eno no nti sisi ansem we ekoso ne se ansa na ebefa wo adwuma mu no gise wutua 25,000 Ghana cedi ansa na ya fawo ewo teaching field nti se wo school 4 years university teachers training any so why distance any type of education bi a wo ye bia no so person wo kira de nko ade gise wutua 25,000 Ghana, which is 250 million old currency. Ti se wuni bi dia and de na akwakope wan kasa wadwuma. Hey, that is Ghana for you. Ghana is so sweet. Ghana is so sweet in all.
As trained teachers, we have become a laughing stock to our people. We are disappointed. I have passed my ancestral exams. I have passed everything that demands that I'm a trained teacher. I need to be posted. But this government has made me a laughing stock in my area. Everybody is asking me, I don't pass all ancestral exams, Hannah. What kind of government is this? Upon all the promises he has made to us.
Another appointment letter. Amu issue Nenra 9 December 2025. Or say the management of Ghana Education Service hereby offer you an appointment as a teacher at Adriso SDA Basic School in New Japan South Municipal in the Eastern Region with effect from December 23, 2025. And also, Oba appointment letter from her say Professor Ernest Kofi Davis, Director General Ensa Eshasiye. We another appointment letter. Mamekwa Homasoma. Meridi more of some and as more of these appointment letters are yensa kawaha. Na asembisa ba kuna yebisa Professor Ernest Kofi Davis or ye Director General ewa Ghana Education Service. Recruitment eko sway 25,000 Ghana cedis ankrofo appointment letters are nidisha siye. Any empenyefo e what GES council any idea ya copy omo nyina no or ya we eyo no was sanction ono ankasa na or sign sa appointment letters here na on my ase na recruitment no eye legal anase eye illegal on my ase Richard Boache eye graduate teacher Richard Martin
yeah ana
it's saying
Pacho nyame adomo also
nyame adomo we school year ben
Pacho 2024
last year
2023 ni year service 2024
okay we are where recruitment ekoso
Pacho recruitment there me ya where say ekoso bebre a group ahodo bia ye wo mu ne among what you ska recruitment the Pacho me ya where say ekoso pa
Mekasa we are where recruitment ekoso mekasa officially yes ye recruit a teacher for into be amfa ne details emra ene ade bibisa na meka officially bibisa ekoso
me Pacho na mekasa recruitment the ekoso pa officially at say ye submit your details na who you 25,000 ye be ma recruitment ama January we be start here juma yenzo say scan nya dey say what say scan na dey ba betia it say yakosu ku apase through process ni nyina na me aboa me actual license ya so atimi apase afi wie ya ye si anse be fi adwuma ji si abetia say scan say ka kudo no so dey nya dey ayewo by recruitment dey me pacho yakoso
na we seniors every school omo chirade no omo aka kire wo da se official recruitment no omo tuye sika sa na ye fa o mana
Pacho me nyanti ye wo be bia me ni mitini eso ni bi mo akasa obia nka je mi so otia wan si di kura ansa na ye fa na dwuma Pacho me nti nya santi ye ni bi
nti se ade no eye official na sikatue bi animu dia se sikatue ewo de ekoso yi mu a would you still describe this as a official recruitment?
Madam, no ne the entity who ni to sibre no. If you say you say see be portal na wa qualify bia say o apply no. I was so apply. Na so the hu die ye supporter ni e bi o se sen and then e wo group mu a me nka se ni na mumpu amanfo be wo submit details say ji se utia se scan anti e ye won yenim de ekoso busa yese empenifo no yenim empenifo no say free party e say free party b yenim ade say empenifo no say e won office so mo ye yen say dem no be ade ni free party by group no de ekoso amanfo utia e mo mu na appointment letters.
Now what is say you be a portal for recruitment?
Mikase matia Minister of Education, my area where say we go to 6,100. Yenti ho asem bia biem. And they say a who's a man was asking your appointment letter. And you name baby at the recruitment, and I said, you me reported via my.
And to say, a bimo 8 yako. Musikana na wuni anase edienti na wonkoye.
Me ba jo miniskano. Ana me zo me hu de entia ma party to process ni na me qualify say yitimi koye aduma. Na e wo se me tua se sikano me ni bi. Ya wi school betena fie aduma koye nya bi nye. Ofa o letter o appointment you certificate or the compare aduma private school na de beko. Private school nzo kwa onu so hu ni say what identity area aban be for aduma engineer de obefo sika de be mo so form so sika de be mo so en so en 300 Cedis e bi kwa 2.5 na 2.5 na e dia na me de be rent be bia akoda na de na bedi na de akwa na me be fa card akọ nti ukwa aduma no nya bi nye na be de menya sabatia minya nti me de mi eni da so bia o be bia se mi konya sika na baba bitia ama ye de recruitment.
Unim obia wanya appointment letter no.
Group na ye wom ne de se de omaye no edin ni show bible one ni pa ne de na ya ba beto ho no mo. Nti group ne de e koso pa na se me ka se minim aso me sia na so obentia bible one ni pa ne de dictate abeto wi anu a hide ni din. Nti ade na e koso ipa no so on person obi be hu nti no ntimi mfa na nanim ma anase sei no e kwa ka se bia wu bisia se ho na de ma anase sei ba e koso.
Mate, Richard, I didn't know Becca Chato, Namini Wavi.
But you never catch a chat when you say, yes, sir, by any say, only a mobile. Now, on fire, Juma, if you say a year school, 2 years near as I have or how the other 3 hours forced. Yes, sorry, I did bit in it, just say, your fire of actual no mamma is star, and I got paid you near the Araho. Now, I'm for the Nisanka teacher training the old car. Juma send the Ankanya dia obrewo and they say the we as answer babe or how any at this what you are force. She has said and say we mobo no my Juma nye.
Mate, Richard meda say any ebrewo nyama me.
Yes meda.
Richard Boate eye graduate teacher owie 2023. Wagen the national service awie last year. Owie yen so watch on the line essential exams were pass